Hello, good day everyone. Welcome back. In today's question, we have three right angle triangle. That is triangle PQR, triangle PQB, and this triangle ABR. Another triangle ABQ, which is not a right angle triangle. We have the sides of this angle and this angle to be equal, so we assume them to be x. The length of this side is 3√5 millimeters, and this is √5 millimeters. We are to calculate the yellow area, that is this triangle ABR. So how can we solve this? It is actually very simple. The first thing we are going to do, we assume the length of this side to be I, this J, this K, and this L. Now if you look at this triangle and this triangle PQR, they both have a right angle and an angle X. That means they are similar. If we take the ratio of their sides, this line AR over this line AB must be equal to line QR over this line PQ. But line AR is 3√5 millimeters, line AB is J, and line PQ is I. While line QR is √5 millimeters plus 3√5 millimeters. √5 millimeters is the same as 1√5 millimeters. And 1√5 millimeters plus 3√5 millimeters is 4√5 millimeters. So 3√5 millimeters over J equal to 4√5 millimeters over I. If we divide both sides by √5 millimeters, this and this will get eliminated. Now if you cross multiply, 3 times I is equal to J times 4. 3 times I is 3I, and J times 4 is 4J. So 3I equal to 4J. Dividing both sides by 3, here 3 cancels 3, so I equal to 4J over 3. We keep that aside for now. Still based on the fact that this triangle ABR and this triangle PQR are similar, this line AR over this line BR must also be equal to this line QR over this line PR. But we know line AR is 3√5 millimeters, line QR is 4√5 millimeters, line BR is L, and line PR is K plus L. So 3√5 millimeters over L equal to 4√5 millimeters over K plus L. Like we did earlier, this √5 millimeters will eliminate this √5 millimeters. Now 3 over L equal to 4 over K plus L. If we cross multiply now, L times 4 equal to 3 times K plus L. 3 times K plus L is 3K plus 3L, and L times 4 is 4L. If you subtract 3L from both sides, here 3L minus 3L is 0, and here 4L minus 3L is L. So L equal to 3K. We still keep it aside. Now this triangle and this triangle are also similar because they both have a right angle and an angle X. If we take the ratio of their sides, this line AB over this line BR is equal to this line PB over this line PQ. But line AB is J, line BR is L, line PB is K, and line PQ is I. So J over L equal to K over I. If we cross multiply now, J times I equal to L times K. But here I is equal to 4 over 3J, and L is equal to 3K. Substituting here now, J times 4 over 3J equal to 3K times K. J times 4J over 3 is 4J squared over 3, and 3K times K is 3K squared. If we multiply both sides of the equation by 3, here 3 cancels 3, and here 3K squared times 3 is 9K squared. So 4J squared equal to 9K squared. Taking the square root of both sides, here square root of 4J squared is the same as square root of 4 times square root of J squared. Square root of 4 is 2, and square root of J squared is J. Here also, square root of 9K squared is square root of 9 times square root of K squared. We know square root of 9 is 3, and that of K squared is K, so 2J equal to 3K. Dividing both sides by 2, here 2 cancels 2, now J equal to 3K over 2. Since we have J equal to 3K over 2, we can just substitute here to know I in terms of K. Now I equal to 4 over 3 times 3K over 2. This 3 will cancel this 3 here, and this 4 divided by this 2 is 2. 2 times k is 2k, so I equal to 2k. Now since we have the values of I, j, k and l in terms of k, we substitute them here. Now from this triangle, we can see it is a right angle triangle. According to the Pythagorean theorem, the square of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the two other sides. This side AR is the hypotenuse of triangle ABR. So based on the Pythagorean theorem, line AR all squared equal to line AB squared plus line BR squared. But line AB and line BR in terms of k are 3k over 2 and 3k, while AR is 3 root 5 millimeters. So 3 root 5 millimeters all squared equal to 3k over 2 all squared plus 3k all squared. 3 root 5 millimeters all squared is the same as 3 squared times root 5 squared times millimeter squared. 3 squared is 9 and root 5 squared is 5. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 times millimeter squared is 45 millimeter squared. While here, 3k all over 2 squared, if you simplify, is 9k squared over 4, and 3k squared is 9k squared. So 45 millimeters squared is 9k squared over 4 plus 9k squared. 9k squared over 4 plus 9k, if you simplify, is 9k squared plus 9k squared times 4 all over 4. 9k squared times 4 is the same as 9k squared times 2 times 2. 9k squared times 2 is 18k squared, and 18k squared times 2 is 36k squared. 36k squared plus 9k squared is 45k squared. So 45 millimeters squared equal to 45k squared over 4. If you multiply both sides by 4, here 4 cancels 4, and here, instead of multiplying 45 millimeters squared by 4, we just leave it that way, because we were still going to divide both sides by 45, so that this 45 and this 45 gets eliminated. Now 4 millimeters squared equal to k squared. Taking the square of both sides, here square of 4 millimeters squared is 2 millimeters, and here square of k squared is k, so 2 millimeters equal to k. That is k equal to 2 millimeters. If you substitute here now, 2 times 2 millimeters is 4 millimeters, 3 times 2 millimeters is 6 millimeters, and 3 times 2 millimeters all over 2 is 3 millimeters. Recall, our target was to calculate the area of triangle ABR. The formula for calculating the area of a triangle is 1 over 2 base times height. From this triangle ABR, this is the base and there is the height. So base equal to 6 millimeters and height equal to 3 millimeters. If you substitute here now, area of triangle ABR equal to 1 over 2 times 6 millimeters times 3 millimeters. 1 over 2 times 6 millimeters is 3 millimeters, and 3 millimeters times 3 millimeters is 9 millimeters squared. So area of triangle ABR is equal to 9 millimeters squared. We found the area of the yellow triangle to be 9 millimeters squared. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and also turn the notification bell for this channel. Thank you.